Hey guys, this week on Hanaf's shoulder injury, which he suffered at work. We'll give you an update on how he's going with it and what our progressions have been. Enjoy. So with Hanaf, when he first called by, this shoulder blade was really wonky. It was downwardly rotated and you could see this upper trap was really spasmodic, it was really tight, so he was elevated in his scapular position. With his rehab over the last 3 months, after seeing a second specialist, he wasn't indicated for surgery, so he just had to work on strengthening the shoulder. So he's come a long way, and now his arm is moving up above his head a lot further. It's just at the very top, you can see that there's a little bit of a difference. Okay, so together, just raise both arms up above your head, and we're looking at the right shoulder blade. Good, and then come back down. Good, out to the side and up above your head. Okay. And back down.
How are you? This Hanaf, getting the best support from Lecky. The last 3 months, me and Lecky have been working on strengthening the shoulder because I did come to Lecky a bit later on to when the injury happened, but that's for another time. But right now we're heading on the right direction. I've been doing a lot of strengthening. I've been doing a lot of swimming. Lecky's been getting me doing deep massages, which relieve some of the pain and helps me sleep at night. And what I've learned is the biggest challenge is if you guys are going through any shoulder injury is just to have a clear mind, because when you have a clear mind, then you can focus on getting better and just consistency. At the end of the day, the physio's job is to help you get better, but first you need to help yourself by making sure that you do all your homework.